I'd be more concerned about your footwear than your shorts. Well, I'm so excited because today we are going to griddle ribeye steaks on the Traeger Flatrock grill. Yummy! So we're gonna season these up. We're just using any sort of beef seasoning. Use whatever you'd like, barbecue seasoning, that sort of thing. So I'm just gonna apply it. You could add a little olive oil, then the seasoning, but I don't find that very necessary because on the griddle, we're gonna add some oil. And these just came out of the fridge, so we're gonna let them sit out for about 20 minutes at room temperature while we do some other things, but let's just season them up. It's rain and seasoning. I'm gonna sneeze, I'm gonna sneeze. I very liberally applied the seasonings. Seasonings are like in the air. They're in the air. Smells like seasonings. Ooh, these look delicious though. How do you feel about how much seasoning was applied to these steaks?
Okay, it's a lot. Oh, so we'll let it chill for about 15-20 minutes at room temperature. That way it becomes relaxed and the seasoning adheres to the steak. Then when it goes on that hot griddle, it won't seize up if it was very cold. So we're just gonna let it chill at room temperature for 15 to 20 minutes.
And what he's saying is that's really enough time for the steak to chill out, maybe grab a coffee, relax for a little bit. You know, happy steak is the most delicious steak. Grill looks hot. How long do you think these are gonna take?
Cooking on high heat, so I'm assuming probably about 4 minutes per side. Whoa, buddy.
Wow. Yum. To your side. There we go.
Cool. We're running at 130. We're gonna pull this sucker. Look at that.
You're literally going crazy now.
Look it in.
All right, babe. All right, let's do it.
There you go.
Whoa! Yummy. Look at those. Holy moly. Beautiful. Gosh, the texture looks so good. Beautiful. Yum.